Good morning, everyone. Big Will here, live, New Hampshire. We are in Northampton, New Hampshire. There's Boston down there, about 48 miles to the south-southwest. We have overcast skies here. That's where the rain is coming from. It's holding off, though. It's holding off. There's southeast there. There's east. Actually, east is more that way. There's my mansion. That's where I'm gonna live there. I'm gonna live there when I hit the Megabucks lottery there. I'm gonna move out of Revere. I'm gonna pack my butt up here. There's the ocean. Good morning.